Today, I'll show you how to keep Google Cloud Shell running smoothly, ensuring your tasks aren't interrupted. Whether you're managing long running processes or simply want to maintain your session active, this guide will walk you through the essentials of keeping your Cloud Shell session persistent. First things first, let's start by opening up the Google Cloud Shell. If you're not familiar, Google Cloud Shell is a powerful browser based command line tool that's always ready to use with your Google Cloud projects. You can find it by navigating to the Google Cloud console and clicking on the terminal icon, which resembles a black box with a white underscore located in the top right corner of the screen. Once you click it, the Cloud Shell environment will initialize, and within seconds, you'll have a command line interface right in your browser. Now, once you have your Cloud Shell open, it's time to run the required process. This is the task or command you want to keep running. Perhaps it's a script, a service, or a long computation. Enter your command directly into the Cloud Shell interface and press enter to start it. It's essential to understand that Cloud Shell is designed to be temporary and it can time out due to inactivity. However, running a process that outputs data or interacts with the system periodically can help keep the session active. So make sure your process is active enough to maintain that connection. To ensure your Cloud Shell session does not terminate, it's crucial to avoid closing the session. This might seem straightforward, but it's an easy mistake to make. Closing the browser, shutting down your computer, or even logging out of your Google account can end the session, stopping any processes you have running. So be mindful of these actions. If you need to step away, consider leaving the browser open and your machine on, if possible. If your session is critical, you might want to explore using Screen or TMMux, which are terminal multiplexers that can keep sessions alive even if you disconnect. However, if you do find yourself disconnected, don't worry. You can quickly reconnect to your session. Simply reopen Google Cloud Shell by navigating back to the Google Cloud console and clicking on the terminal icon again. In some cases, your session might have persisted and you'll be able to continue from where you left off. In others, you might need to restart your process. If maintaining the exact state is crucial, consider using persistent disk storage to save your work and state between sessions. By following these steps, you can efficiently keep your Google Cloud Shell running for your needs. Remember that while Cloud Shell is an excellent tool for quick tasks and development, for more extensive and long-term projects, exploring Google Cloud's other offerings, like Compute Engine, might be beneficial. These services are designed for more persistent workloads. Thanks for watching this tutorial on keeping your Google Cloud Shell running. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on Google Cloud and other tech topics. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. Happy computing!